Hi lovelies, welcome and thank you for always coming back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and feel free to drop a comment. So on today's video, I want to review this bedsitter house of mine, or studio apartment if you like it. Then keep in mind this is basically a student life. Okay, for those who don't know, I actually study at Murunga University of Science and Technology, taking Bachelor of Commerce. So without wasting time, let me show you how this place of mine is. Let's start, guys. Entrance door on your left will be met with my kitchen. This is how it looks. Just next to you, we have this sink here that I use for washing my utensils. Then this section here is where this stand is where I basically keep my cooking ingredients, as you can see. Then up on this other stand I use for keeping utensils. Okay, my utensils are that many because I stay alone anyway. Then down here we have these staplers and some jerry cans for storing water in case I don't have running water in the tap, and I keep my tomatoes and onions. Then next to it we have I have a gas cylinder there that I use for cooking. Then down here you'll be met with a dustbin and a broom. Then up in my kitchen we have a pan and a towel, and we have these tins where I place my rice, my cooking flour, my baking flour, and that is spaghetti, that's cooking oil respectively, guys. Then from the kitchen section, just next to you on your right, you have this door that leads you into the toilet / bathroom. As you can see, it's 2-in-1, and that is it. A lot ain't happening here, guys, so let's just close it and go to the next section. So when you enter the main place, you'll be met with this mat here and my sandals. Then also this study table of mine where I place this growing plant that is growing. Then I place there my tripod when I'm not studying, some writings on the stickers, yeah, just the affirmation things. Then that's my study area, that's how it is. Then next to it, yeah, I may basically keep my toothpaste and toothbrush. Then up here I have my teddy bears and my decoration bottles, and also my books. As you can see, they're up here on the wall. Then you also have these stickers and my clock. Then you have the beautiful mirror. How beautiful mirror, guys, as you can see. Then next to the mirror we have this cabinet section. We have this cabinet area. This is how it is from afar. And at the cabinet I basically place my traveling bags and suitcase on the top. Then here I put my scarves, my towels, yeah, so on, ladies' towels. Then on the next drawer I put some makeups and iron box. This area I basically put my shorts. Then here I place my oils and my cards that we can play with my friends in case they come to visit, but they rarely do anyway. Then here I place my makeup stuffs and my gumboots. I place them down there. Then next to it is where we have these growing plants that I really love taking care of them. As you can see, they are growing good. Hey, I love them. Anyway, I don't know if you love them. If you do, let me know in the comment section. Then next to my cabinet, you are met with this card table where there is a socket to a switch, where there is switch and sockets and so on. I've played the extension. I have there my Bluetooth speaker and my bottle of water. I love drinking water a lot when I'm indoors. Then we have this tiny pretty bed of mine that I love so much. This is how it is. That is it. from this angle. I'll place a net around it because sometimes maybe mosquitoes, but anyway, you can't say you have lots of mosquitoes here, but I just placed it there. So that is it, guys, my bed. Then next to the bed we have a window that allows light to come in. Then we have this section here that I place my clothes. Let me show you. That's how it is. On the wall I place my skipping rope, so only that. Then here down I place my shoes. I haven't arranged that here, but that is it. Yeah, that is it, guys. That's all about my house tour. Actually finally come to the end of this video. As I told you guys, this is basically my student life. So as long as I'm going to class, as long as I'm studying, as long as everything to do is my studies, I'm doing it, guys. Like, I don't mind this place. It's just fine for me, like just good place for me, as long as I can read and all that stuff. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Please share this video, like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.